Deep in the heart of the Arabian Desert, you'll find Abu Dhabi's most prolific oil field, making up half of the UAE's daily production capacity of nearly 4 million barrels. Oil was discovered here back in 1953, with the first exports coming a decade later. The UAE is now OPEC's third largest producer. This is the oil, Merban, a light crude with 60 customers in 30 countries, with heavy demand coming from China, Japan, and South Korea. From this day forward, it's out to make a bigger name for itself. Sultan Al Jaber, the group chief executive of the Abu Dhabi National Oil Company, or ADNOC, has led the drive to take it to the global futures market, where over 1 billion barrels of contracts are traded daily.
This new contract represents a great value proposition and a win-win for everyone involved. Customers will be able to better manage market risks, while more value will be created for producers.
This means that Merban crude out of the UAE will take a seat alongside two global benchmarks, North Sea Brent and West Texas Intermediate, the first major shakeup in the oil futures market in over 3 decades. In a region that provides about a fifth of daily supplies and half of the proven oil reserves, strategists say it's high time to recognize the energy links between the Middle East and Asia.
That always has been an anomaly, that the Middle East is the world's major oil exporting region. Asia is the world's major oil importing region, and yet that crude has been priced off benchmarks traded in Europe. And this launch should address that anomaly if it's widely adopted.
The Merban crude is shipped via pipeline to the UAE's Fujairah port in the east, which sits just south of the Strait of Hormuz, bypassing security risk at the choke point. A futures contract such as Merban cannot be large-scale overnight, strategists say, but ADNOC is coming to the fore with 9 international oil companies and traders, which it hopes will build momentum. The international exchange known as ICE is partnering with the UAE for trading on ICE Futures Abu Dhabi, breaking with regional tradition like in Saudi Arabia, which sets a fixed price each month as the world's #1 exporter. Merban will trade on the open market with the global benchmark Brent.
The strategic move that ADNOC is now spearheading to have barrels freely traded and really form part of that kind of free flow of crude around the world has been a key inflection point.
This represents a significant milestone for ADNOC, for ICE, for our customers, and of course, for all our partners.
Meaning the name Merban coming from this field is out to become a brand far beyond those who import it today. John Dفتيريوس, CNN, Abu Dhabi.